Hello and welcome. In this short three-chapter series, I'll show you how bookkeeping actually works. This is Chapter 1, the foundations. Today you'll learn three things: the bookkeeping cycle, the 7 everyday skills, and the discipline of closing your books. Let's start with the golden rule. Every transaction has two sides, a debit and a credit, always equal. Buy stock and pay from the bank. Inventory goes up, bank comes down, and the books stay in balance. If the two sides don't match, it isn't an entry, it's a mistake. Clean books follow 5 stages every single month: capture every transaction, categorize every line, reconcile with the bank, review the period D, and then lock it. That's the whole system. Skip these steps and books go wrong quietly. Uncategorized lines, missed bills, cash left off the books. Most accounting mistakes are simply unreviewed data. 7 simple skills prevent all of it, and one foundation holds them together: the chart of accounts. For every single rupee, just ask, which account does this belong to? That's your foundation. Everything else in this course builds on it. In next chapter, we'll turn these ideas into 7 practical skills you can use. See you in chapter 2.